Only I am fresh to death, just call the coroner. I'm a native champ, you just a foreigner. Is that all you got? Come on, you boring us. Hey, looking for the champ.
So in the fifth today we have something new from Divoom. It's a small speaker, but this small speaker even has like a karaoke microphone with it. And I can say a few things already, that it's pretty heavy speaker. So the funny thing about the speaker is that it comes in this case, and if you take a look at the speaker, it is pretty cool looking. So it's very heavy, and it has to do with the material, so it's really like solid build. I'm not sure if it is like porcelain or ceramic stuff, but it is heavy for sure. The microphone is not made out of this hard material, so this one is just plastic, so this one is also more durable to drop. Like this, it could break maybe if you drop it. It's really very cool stuff, but I'm scared with this. It's so heavy, it's so like solid material. I'm not sure what it is even, but it does look some kind of ceramic material. So the funny thing is, it is a Bluetooth speaker, but it's also an FM radio. So in the front you can like control the FM frequency. It's pretty cool. So we'll turn on now, so you guys can see the lights. So here are some LEDs. I will turn off the volume, so it will not play radio for now. So the fun thing is, if you want to use the radio, you need to push this button. Then it turns on the radio. Then also the microphone will not work, but yeah, this is more for Bluetooth meaning. So yeah, a cool speaker. Especially the packaging is well done again by Divoom. So let's turn on the microphone. Okay, it's not working. So
App mode.
Okay.
Studio mode.
Studio mode. Okay.
Monster mode.
Okay, this is a no. Okay, this sounds pretty strange. So yeah, the microphone, you can use 8 different modes with it.
Chant mode.
So now it's high pitch. It's really
Original mode.
okay, this, oh yeah. So this is original mode, so no filter. So let's turn it off. This one as well. So the fun thing with the speaker as well, with the USB Type-C port and everything, on the rear you have a small passive radiator. Like, this is maybe the smallest passive radiator that I've seen on a Bluetooth speaker. But it does help the speaker to give you a bit of bass performance. But the overall sound performance of the speaker is definitely done pretty nice. It does remind me a bit of like the pixel art. So this speaker, it doesn't have a passive radiator, but this one is like a bass port and an up-firing speaker. And this speaker also, it sounds pretty solid for actually being meant more for design stuff. So without further ado, here are the audio samples for now, and afterwards I will talk a bit more about the speaker.
I could learn from your kind. Spend some days in your eyes and your mind. The wave of your heart is quite strong. Because your needs are very small. I'm only asking of you to give some space. I will too. And we've both known many tears. I know. give off the vibe of love.
On the road I'll meet her again. On a strawberry moon, that's where I'll find her, shining for in June. Somewhere by the water, she moves through the night, dancing in the sky with strawberry moon.
After a bit of audio testing and also looking how the speaker works, it's a pretty cool design thing, and I'm still surprised about this like unibody design and how heavy it is. Like this material, I have to say it's very hard, very solid. And on the front, especially this LED light behind those FM frequency dial, it's pretty cool. So the other buttons, like the orange buttons, are to skip your number, and the upper button is for volume control and also to play and pause. On the rear, the USB Type-C and also the power on, power off button. So it is a pretty cool done speaker, and especially this rear with the small passive radiator, it looks pretty funny. Really, it is funny speaker, and it even doesn't sound that bad. And for the price, yeah, is it really recommendable? Not on the audio side maybe, but for design side, it's really impressive. And also this microphone, if you use this microphone, its overall quality, which it's outputting, is decent, especially for karaoke stuff and also just to talk with your microphone. And those 8 modes of monster, child and even some echo modes, they are cool to have, but I do prefer the normal mode overall. Again, cool thing, really. It's really a funny thing, and I really like this old like 60s design. It really fits pretty well to this speaker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.